It is no accident the old cartoons showed Popeye gaining strength when he ate spinach. This food is a nutritional powerhouse, full of stuff that's good for you. Calorie for calorie, spinach is a leafy green vegetable that provides more nutrients than most other foods. For one thing, spinach is full of antioxidants such as lutein and beta-carotene. It rates 1260 on the ORAC, Oxygen Radical Absorption Capacity, scale, compared to only 400 in corn or 710 in red bell peppers. Researchers have identified at least 13 different flavonoid compounds in spinach that function as antioxidants. These antioxidants are important to our health. They slow down the damage done by the free radicals produced during the normal body process of cells using oxygen. Without antioxidants to deal with free radicals, cell damage continues to worsen. Environmental factors also hasten the production of free radicals, such as cigarette smoke, pollution and herbicides. Antioxidants fight the damage, making them an important way to help maintain healthy cells. Spinach not only has lots of antioxidants to help maintain good health, it's chock full of minerals too. It's an excellent source of calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and potassium. This leafy green vegetable is also a very good source of copper, phosphorus, and zinc. It even has a good amount of selenium. And consider all those vitamins. Spinach is an excellent source of vitamins A, C, B2, B6, E, K, and folate. It's also a very good source of vitamins B1, thiamine, and a good source of vitamin B3, niacin. Spinach also contains betaine, a fat-derived compound that fights elevated homocysteine, a risk factor in cardiovascular health problems. And if all that isn't enough, it's also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. Of course, just reading about spinach isn't going to help you much. You've got to eat it to benefit from all that goodness. Fresh raw spinach has a mild, slightly sweet taste that is especially nice for salads. When spinach is cooked, the flavor becomes more robust and acidic. However you choose to eat it, spinach is a healthy addition to your diet.